Have you ever experienced that annoying ringing in your ears that just won't go away? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into understanding tinnitus, what it is, the causes, and most importantly, how to find relief. From natural remedies to lifestyle changes, you'll learn some easy-to-apply tips to manage and reduce the ringing in your ears. Whether you're new to tinnitus or have been struggling for years, this video will give you actionable steps to take control of your tinnitus today. What is tinnitus? Tinnitus is the perception of sound when no external sound is present. Many describe it as a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound in the ears. This condition can vary from mild to severe, and while it's more common in older adults, it can affect anyone. For some, it's just a minor nuisance, but for others, it can seriously impact their quality of life. What causes tinnitus? Tinnitus can be caused by a variety of factors. Exposure to loud noise, ear infections, and even certain medications can trigger tinnitus. It can also be a symptom of hearing loss as we age or be related to issues with the inner ear, such as damage to the auditory nerve. Lifestyle habits like poor diet, stress, and prolonged exposure to loud environments can make tinnitus worse. Now, let's get into what you can do about it. 1. Cut caffeine and sugar. Caffeine and sugar can increase the intensity of tinnitus symptoms. Both of these substances can stimulate the nervous system, potentially making the ringing or buzzing more noticeable. If you consume a lot of coffee, tea, sugary snacks, or sodas, try cutting back. Reducing or eliminating these from your diet can help you notice improvements in your tinnitus over time. Plus, you'll likely feel more balanced and less jittery overall. 2. Stop using cotton swabs. We've all done it, using cotton swabs to clean our ears, but this can actually do more harm than good. Cotton swabs push earwax deeper into the ear canal, which can irritate your ears and potentially cause or worsen tinnitus. Instead, consider using eardrops or visiting an ear specialist to safely remove any buildup of wax. Keeping your ears clean the right way can prevent further irritation and reduce the intensity of tinnitus symptoms. 3. Avoid exposure to loud sounds. One of the main causes of tinnitus is exposure to loud noises, like concerts, heavy machinery, or even loud music through headphones. Over time, this can cause damage to the tiny hair cells in your inner ear, leading to tinnitus. If you want to protect your ears, avoid environments with excessive noise or wear ear protection when necessary. Lowering the volume on your headphones is also a simple but effective way to prevent further hearing damage. 4. Manage stress. Stress is a significant contributor to tinnitus, as it can increase the intensity and frequency of the ringing in your ears. When you're stressed, your body's fight or flight response can heighten your awareness of tinnitus. Practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can help calm your mind and reduce the severity of your tinnitus. Find ways to de-stress daily to see long-term benefits. 5. Regular exercise. Exercise doesn't just keep your body healthy, it can also help with tinnitus. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation to your ears and reduces overall stress levels, both of which can lessen tinnitus symptoms. Whether it's a daily walk, a gym session, or some yoga, incorporating exercise into your routine can have lasting effects on managing your tinnitus and improving your overall well-being. What to do if ringing persists? If you've tried these tips and still experience ringing in your ears, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Persistent tinnitus can sometimes be a symptom of an underlying issue that requires medical attention. An audiologist or ENT, ear, nose and throat specialist, can help evaluate your symptoms, perform hearing tests, and recommend more advanced treatments, such as sound therapy or hearing aids, designed to mask the ringing. With that being said, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Here's to better hearing and a tinnitus-free life.